In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put buttons side by side in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your Mailchimp dashboard, then head over to campaigns. So open up the email campaign you'd like to edit, then click on Edit Design to open up the email builder. Once inside, look for the area in your layout where you want to add the button. Then next in the left panel, scroll to Blank Columns. And from here, drag the two column layout into your design. Then next is go back and now drag two button blocks, one for the first column and another one for the next column. This automatically places the buttons side by side. Now the only thing left for you to do is customize each button. So in the left panel, switch to styles. And here you can actually adjust the placing and padding so they really sit close beside each other. So in the first button, we can set it to right. And for the other button, we can set it to left alignment. And as you can see, they really look to close with each other. Also, don't forget to change the text, link, and color so they match your design. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!